Who? What?
That.
This?
Yeah.
That's more like a
T-Rex.
No,
It's a T-Rex.
This is a T-Rex. That's more like a Dominus Rex. Maybe, I don't know.
You got it today?
Yep, it came today. Surprise!
Surprise!
Is that everything you wanted and hoped and dreamed for?
Yeah.
Are you gonna poop your pants? Are you gonna poop and pee your pants and throw up and barf all at the same time?
I love it! You are the best mom in the world.
I know.
Spoiled.
So cool. Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome.
Oh, and then we have to keep it, but it doesn't matter.
Hey, that's what you picked out.
I know. I thought it had one sentence. Okay. I wish I have 5 girls. Wait, 3. Wait, no. 4 or 5. 5 or 4.
I'm coming to this side, boys.
And now I'm just gonna open this. But I don't want to leave my finger open.
Leave your finger open.
Yeah, like you did. Oh no.
Just pull it out, babe. You don't have to destroy the box.
But I can.
It should just come out.
Oh. Scissors.